Hello guys, we're at the Dollar Tree. Look at some of the new books they got. This is a storybook. Coloring book. Let's see what all it has in it. Some pages. That's cute. That's cute. Ornament and Santa Claus. Then they got one with stickers. It says Merry and Bright. Sticker activity book. There's the stickers right there. We got that. We got these activities. Stuff like that. But look at this one right here, guys. This is a coloring book. Look at the outer edge. That is so pretty. And they just got different coloring pages in it. And you pick it up. Very pretty. Very pretty. It was by the art maker. Just very pretty coloring books. But look at all of these coloring books. The one with gingerbread, 128 pages. Mickey and Daffy. And they got the elf coloring book. Uh-oh, we just dropped all of those. Sorry, guys. They got one with over funny faces sticker books. I see an LOL. I think that's the one I got. I got an LOL back there. Just a lot of cute little coloring books. There's one with the gnomes. Where you can create faces. Let's pull this out and look at it. That's cute. But yeah, that's a cute lot of little cute coloring books. There's a word search for Christmas. Now we're gonna go down to $5 aisle and let's see what they got. See if they got anything there. And they got the inflatables like they have every year. That came in. They got some more boxes up there that I showed y'all. Got a new shipment. They got them new Santas down there. And penguins. I think these light up some kind of way. Yeah, with batteries. They got that penguin. They got the little gingerbread man, the snowman, and Santa. Very cute. But I think that's all. They got something new over here. Wax warmer. They got the little house. They got that one. They got the little gnome. I'm gonna show you how the red one looks on the side. That's how the red one looks. Very cute. Then they got some guardians.